guys, it's Rose Alcido again, bothering you na napod. Bisdak in New York, Philippine Agenda. Okay, so ang ato karong i-discuss is about soap or sabon. Sa Pilipinas, ang piliming gamiton or palaging ginagamit ng mga Filipino is soap. Dili daghan mo gamit og liquid soap or cleanser. Okay, most of the people, young or old, whoever it is, usually for the body, even sa face, are using soap kasi parang kaugalian ba yung bang naandan sa mga tao nga sabon ang gamiton, ang uban gani sabon ang gamiton sa kuan sa unsinani sa buhok as shampoo. Okay lang na wala na gyud kailangan magamit para malinis ka, but we will discuss about soap. Okay, sa Pilipinas ang concept sa soap is makaputi. Naa siya alpha-arbutin, naa siya niacinamide, naa siya kojic acid, naa siya papaya extracts, naa siya licorice extract, naa siya vitamin A, retinol or something, no? Nga, or glycolic acid, which are the acids to exfoliate the skin. Inana ang mga ingredients nga gibutang. Very popular ang sabon sa Pilipinas because firstly, it's cheap and it's available anywhere. Unya ang marketing nila is muputi jud kaani, so sa imuha mga singit-singit muputi okay. So now we discuss about soap. I have nothing against soap. Soap is really good for cleaning. Especially ang active ang inyong number one nga inyong gamiton. Because discuss unsa ang sabon. Ang sabon is a composition of oil and lye. Lye, L-Y-E. Kana bitong Drano or something kanang panglinis sa it's a chemical. Panglinis sa bathroom nga baho ganin na siya, and it's a chemical and it is rustic and it's dangerous. Okay? So the reason why mahimo ang sabon is because of saponification. Okay? Saponification is the chemical reaction of an oil and lye. Kung walay lye, walay sabon. Okay? Kung walay lye, walay sabon. So, tanang sabon na ay lye. Tanang sabon na ay lye. Maski ingnon pa na nimo nga kanang glycerin soap, okay? Or whatever soap. The first thing that it did before it became a glycerin was it has to undergo a process of saponification. Saponification. Okay? Saponification is a process of converting an oil like coconut oil or olive oil or palm oil or sunflower oil, whatever oil you use, and lye. So they are being processed, ang tawag na saponified, and then it becomes a soap. Okay? Sometimes the soap is mogamit mo og sabon, mga tidayin mo. Okay? It's either it's lye heavy or it has not been cured, because the soap must be cured. Naay curative time ang soap para ma-hard siya, maski butang pa na nila og kay naa may method po to harden the soap para ang uban dili na maghuwat nga ilang i-cure. Okay? But the lye has to be cured. It has to be saponified. It has to undergo a process of curing, which is 3 to 4 weeks, at least 4 weeks, ang soap. Pag dili siya ma-cure, bisan siya gahi pa siya, but the soap does not dili na siya madaot ang sabon because of that composition of of the saponification process. So ang sabon, it could last for 10 years. Nga dili siya madaot. Wala siya preservative, but because of the high alkalinity of the soap. Ang soap is high in alkaline from 8 to 10. So taas kay siya. So dili na siya kinahanglan og kuan. Dili siya acid. So there are it's either acidic or alkaline, you know. But ang soap is alkaline. So taas ang iyahang pH. The potential hydrogen of the soap is higher. Okay? So, ang sabon, kinahanglan nimo i-cure. Kaya dili nimo i-cure ang sabon sa time limit nga gi-require sa iyaha nga ma-cure siya. Kuan siya. Kanang wala pa ma-cure iyang lye. Wala pa makuan iyang lye. So minsan mayon sila nga, oy kuan ni kanang kuan unsa ni kanang kuan lagi kanang very unsa ni kanang katul or something or whatever it is, kanang itchy or something. Maybe it's either it's lye heavy nga daghag lye or wala siya ma-cure sa tamang curing process niya. Kay ang soap nga dili pa ma-cure, siyempre ang activity niya sa iyahang lye is still there. So kinahanglan i-cure nimo siya para mag-evaporate siya and then mawala na to iyahang pagkagaspang ba. Okay? So usahay ilang dalion nga para matigas kay og dili matigas ang soap kay ang soap nga dili pa unsa ani ma-cure, dili siya matigas kaayo eh. But the soap that nga matigas usahay ilang butangan na og salt or sugar para it will really harden, because those two ingredients will harden a soap, ang sabon. Okay? So, mo na siya nga kinahanglan ug mopalit ka og sabon, kinahanglan nga dili siya bagong buhat. Kinahanglan na cure na siya. And a lot of manufacturers sell their soap right away kasi matigas na eh. Okay? Matigas na, so meaning to say pwede nang maibenta. Okay? But I hope that they will follow a protocol of really having the soap cure before selling it. It's more a money thing nga nung dili nila ikuan, nga nung dili nila ipa-cure. So that is my concept on sabon. Ang sabon, guys, because it's a wash-off product, they don't have the capacity to really make you white. Nga naman, ug naay active ingredient siya, nga say gusto na akong puti nga sabon, butang na akong titanium dioxide, you know, and it's not a sunblock. It's a sunblock in a way, but it's not, the purpose is not a sunblock. The purpose is to whiten the color of the soap, you know. So these are all for formulation issues and whatever. So the reason why I can say all of these things is because I have been studying skincare in the States. Dili lang ka ng facial ninyo nga, whoever it is there. There is a States, we need to be in the research arena, research, development, study, knowledge. You know, I have spent so much money on my education. I am licensed in the States, in the state of New York. I have been trained in Europe, in France, with the best skincare people in the industry. Ang uban nangamatay na in town sila, mga tiguang na nangamatay na. One of my best teacher was Dr. Pugliese, a very brilliant doctor in skincare. You know, si Dr. Des Fernandez of South Africa, of the Environ thing. These are only two of the best people that I've worked with in the years that I've been doing skincare in the States. Okay, guys? So, I want you to be confident nga og na ako'y product nga i-endorse the Pilipinas, listen to it and believe it. Nga, these products that I will be sharing with you in the Philippines will be one of the best that has been researched and developed by the brains of the skincare industry in America. Nanghambog na po guday. Sige lang, mga hambog Pilipino man ta, nindot magyud kay panghambog nga naa ka sa Amerika unya Pilipino ka unya one of the best esthetician ka diri sa Amerika. Imagine, Filipino at that, guys. Be proud, okay? Be proud as a Filipino. Okay, guys, so I thank you for listening to me. Please subscribe and share sa nimo sa imong mga amiga, imong mama, imong papa, imong whoever it is who are dealing with skincare and skin issues. Okay? Because kani ato ang page sa Facebook page nga Bisdak in New York Philippine Agenda og sa atong YouTube channel nga Rose Alcido Beauty or Rose Alcido Beauty Academy will give you a lot of lessons to learn. Okay, guys? So, thank you so much for listening. I hope you will subscribe. And I will talk to you again soon. Bye! Thank you! God bless us all. Pray, pray, pray.